Here, so I'll show you the easiest way to merge your Twitch and Kick chat to OBS. So first of all, you have to come to streamlabs.com website and sign into your account. Now we have to connect our Kick and Twitch account with Streamlabs. So click on your profile photo and go to account settings. Under account settings, select platforms. And here you get Twitch and Kick. Just click on merge next to Twitch and connect your Twitch account. Let's merge our Kick account. So I'm clicking on merge. And before that, make sure you already sign into your Kick account and Twitch account in the same browser. Here, just click on allow access. And as you can see, I've successfully added my Kick and my Twitch account with Streamlabs. Now in this left-hand menu, click on all widget. And in this widget gallery, you have to find out chat box. Click on that. Or you can use the search widget to find out the chat box widget. Just click on that. Here, next to platforms, you have to select only Twitch and Kick. So I'm going to deselect YouTube and Facebook. So as you can see, I've selected Twitch and Kick, and here we can see the chat preview. Now you can click on badges and you can enable moderator badges, subscriber badges under Twitch, and under Kick you can enable subscriber badges. And here you can select a style and you can show viewers platform icons from here. So customize your message settings and chat notification settings from here. You can also change your phone settings from here, just like this. And to change your chat widget background color, just come to this background color, click here, and you can just go ahead and select a different color. Once you're happy, click on save settings, and now just click here to copy your chat box widget link. And now it's time to add our Kick and Twitch combined chat box to our widget. So go to your widget, select scene, and under sources click on this plus icon, select browser, and here I'm typing Twitch and Kick chat, and in this URL box paste the widget link. And if you want to change your widget width and height, you can do it from here. Then just click on OK, and we can see the widget added. Now we have to send some random messages on our Twitch and Kick to check. So let's send some random messages just like this, and going to my OBS. And here we can see all messages are showing in my OBS. So that's how you can actually combine Kick and Twitch chats in OBS.